guys, welcome to my video. My name is Nyongesa David, and today we are going to look at NX video camera, and this is it. We are going to look at its parts and functions and how it works. So these are camera battery, and this is we call the camera. This part is battery compartment, where we put our battery so that our camera can be powered. So this is our battery. You come and put it like this, and then you push it downwards like that. So our camera is ready to work. Here, this is a part we called an LCD, a liquid crystal display. This is where we display our videos when we are shooting. Yes. And then if you want to start the camera, this is a button, camera on and off. This one, you put it on like that, like this. So as you see, our camera is on and it's ready to work. Yes, that's it. And then here we have our viewfinder. Yes, viewfinder. These work the same as LCD. If you want to use it, here it's how it works. You see through this the videos that you are shooting. Yes. When you are moving on, there are these rings here. These rings. Here we have iris ring. This is where we gain our brightness to our subjects, or we lower the bright. Yes. And this one is a zoom ring. So if you want your subject to come closer, you zoom using this ring here in the middle. And this one is a focus ring. Yes. If you want to focus your subject so that you can see it clearly, you use this ring to focus. Yes, it's called a focus ring. And then we have these buttons here, iris button. And if you want to put it auto, maybe you don't want to use an iris ring to gain the brightness or lower the brightness, you use it. We use this button to put it auto, so that when you use this, it cannot be used. Yes. And then this we have this lens hood. Yes, this is a lens hood. It protects our camera from when it's working. It protects our lens from dust and something like that ones. Yes. We are moving on, and then here we have a handle. This is called camera handle. This one, and we can use it when you are shooting the low angle videos. So you don't want to if you don't want to mount your camera, you hold it like this one, and then you start to shoot like this one. Yes. And this is also our handle. You can handle your camera like this one. Yes. When you are shooting, you can handle like this one, and then you shoot like this one. Yes. And then there are this button also. This one. Yes. This is a zoom button. You can use it to zoom subject. Whether we want our subject to come closer or to go far, you use this one. Yes. And to continue, we have this record button. Yes. So if you want to stop recording or to start recording, this is the button. You can use this button here. Yes. To start or to stop recording, you use that button. Yes. And then here we have our internal microphone. And this camera have an internal camera microphones. So when you are shooting without an external microphone, we can use this one to capture the sound. Yes. Okay, we are moving on. Here we have some audio input. We have input 1 and then input 2. This where we use this input to transfer our audios. So yes, when you are using an input 1, we come here in these settings. Here there are these settings. Yes. So when you are using an input 1 as your input audio, so you come on this and input 1 line, you put it in the mic place here. Yes. The mic like that one, and then you're ready to shoot. If you are using an input 2, then we come here in input 2 and then you set it to mic, and then you're good to go. And then here we have audio levels. When you want to balance your audio levels, maybe to be louder or to lower it, you use this gain here. If you are using an input 1, use this gain. Use this button up, and then you're good. Yes. Okay. We are moving on smoothly. So here again we have this button here. This button. We can use this button also to start recording or to stop recording, as you see it. Yes, you can use it to start recording or stop recording. And then when you are holding your camera like this one, you can use these buttons here to zoom in or zoom out your image or subject. Yes, like this one. Yes, like that one. You're moving on, very good. And here we have these buttons. We have gain, white balance, shutter, and full auto. So gain, this is where we use to gain the brightness of your subject. Maybe you're shooting something where there is a low light. We use this one to gain it, to gain light. Then to white balance it, to white balance your camera, we use this button so that it can the picture or the images that you are taking can be good and can be of high quality. Yes, we use this button to white balance. Then shutter. Then when you're shooting the subject in motion, maybe they are moving so fast. I use this shutter speed to set so that we can freeze the motion of your subject, and you go on like that one. Yes. And then here we have and you're moving on. So guys, this is what we call a hot shoe. We can use it to mount our light. Yes, when you want to use the light in this camera, we can mount it here in a hot shoe. Yes. And then here, back into the camera. In the back of the camera we have an audio output. Yes, this one is what we call audio output, and then this is a video output. Yes, when you're shooting live video, you use these outputs to transfer audios and video to the control room. Yes, and then this is a HDMI out. So we use this to transfer our videos to the laptop or computer so that you can monitor it. Yes, that's it. And then here we have our SD input. Yes, we use these inputs to input only SD cards. Yes, when you are shooting, so that you can store our video like that one. Then here we have an earphone input. You input your earphone when you are shooting so that you can monitor your audio so that you can get a high quality audio. Yes. Then we go on. Here we have this shoe where we mount our camera to the tripod. When you want to shoot your video so that you can have a steady shot, you mount your camera and then you shoot it very well. Yes, we go on. And then here, guys, we have this menu and these buttons to set our camera. Maybe you want to set here in display, you can press this menu button like this one. As you see, it has been displayed in LCD like that one. And then if you want to set something, you can set it like that one using these buttons here. If you want to display your videos, you also use these buttons to display your video like that one. So guys, and then we have this ND filter, this one. Okay, if you want to gain the brightness in your image or subjects that you are shooting, you use this one. Yes, when you put it in like this in 3, your video is going to be dark, and when you want to gain that, you are going to lower it like this one up to 1, and then you are going to get a bright video. Yes. So guys, when you have finished your production, maybe you are shooting a live video or just a video, you have to remove the battery so that you have a finished product. So before you remove your battery, make sure that your camera is off. So we come here to start battery button where we started it, and then we put it off like that one. Yes, and then we close the LCD like that one, and then we come here, and this is what we call a battery release button. You press it like this one, and then you remove your battery like this one. Thank you for watching, guys. My name is Nyongesa David, and for more videos like this one, you can follow my YouTube channel at Nyongesa David, Facebook Nyongesa David, and also TikTok Nyongesa David for more videos. Thank you so much.